so today I'll be making my very own spinach dip. We would need one thing of frozen spinach. Any kind is fine. We're just going to pop this in the microwave for the instructions. We'll get the rest of our spinach. Next, we're going to take 8 ounces of sour cream. Mixing bowl. And then we're going to get our mayonnaise and get another 8 ounces of mayonnaise. I'm telling you, this spinach dip will be the party. Ounces of mayonnaise. In there. You need 1 packet of vegetable mix, Knorrs. Right in there. And you also need a can of water chestnuts. I'm going to slice these up and be right back. I'm just chopping up the rest of my water chestnuts. And I had my spinach in a strainer. I cooled it down with some cool water. These don't have to be perfect, so don't worry about it. As long as you chop them up smaller than what they are. Okay. Okay, so far you should have something that look like this. And now we're going to add our cooled off strained spinach. Put that in. Usually I put this in like an Italian bun from like the supermarket, like the long one. Cut out the middle piece and scoop it all out and put it in the middle, but I like this to last. Okay, so I'll just use a piece of bread or cracker and eat it like that. Should look like that. Bread. Let's try this. It's cold and so good. And that's basically all you need, and it's amazing. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.